Are there any ongoing clinical trials involving biomarkers for schizophrenia? Have you ever wondered how scientists are working to better understand schizophrenia? One exciting area of research is the use of clinical biomarkers. So, are there any ongoing clinical trials focusing on these biomarkers? Yes, indeed. There are several trials currently underway that aim to identify and validate biological markers for schizophrenia. These markers can help in diagnosing the condition, monitoring its progression, and predicting treatment responses. One major initiative is the Accelerating Medicines Partnership Schizophrenia. This large-scale collaboration includes both public and private sectors. It conducts a comprehensive longitudinal study involving individuals at risk of developing schizophrenia. Thousands of participants are recruited for this study, which collects a wide range of data. This includes clinical assessments, cognitive testing, neuroimaging, and even digital assessments. The goal is to create multimodal algorithms that can distinguish between different illness trajectories, such as conversion to schizophrenia or remission. This study is ongoing and aims to provide validated biomarkers and clinical tools that can improve clinical trials for new treatments. Data collection and analysis are expected to continue until at least the year 2027. In addition to this major study, several pharmaceutical companies are also conducting clinical trials that incorporate biomarkers. For instance, Alto Neuroscience is testing a drug called Alto 101, which is delivered via a transdermal patch. This Phase 2 trial specifically targets cognitive impairment in schizophrenia and uses electroencephalogram biomarkers to assess treatment effects. Another company, Anavex Life Sciences, has completed enrollment in a Phase 2 trial for a drug called Anavex 3-71. This trial aims to address multiple symptom domains and is potentially informed by biomarker data. BioXcel Therapeutics is running a Phase 3 trial of BXCL 501, which is focused on agitation in schizophrenia. This trial collects real-world safety and usability data alongside modified clinical rating scales. Neuron Pharmaceuticals is also conducting Phase 3 studies of evenamide, a glutamate modulator, as an add-on treatment for treatment-resistant schizophrenia. This trial uses biomarker-informed patient selection and monitoring. Additionally, research is focused on biomarkers linked to neurotransmitter systems involved in schizophrenia. For example, studies on D-serine regulation and the enzyme D-amino acid oxidase have led to trials of D-amino acid oxidase inhibitors like luvadaxistat. This drug has shown promise in improving cognitive biomarkers related to N-methyl-D-aspartate receptor function in early-phase trials. Overall, these ongoing clinical trials reflected a growing trend toward integrating biomarkers into schizophrenia research. This approach aims to improve diagnosis, tailor treatments to individual patients, and accelerate the development of more effective therapies for this complex disorder. The use of biomarkers in these trials represents a hopeful advancement in understanding and managing schizophrenia.